The story of the coronavirus is not just the story of a virus, it is the story of how something microscopic can change the course of humanity. Today, we'll dive deep inside the human body to witness how SARS-CoV-2, the virus responsible for COVID-19, attacks, spreads, and challenges us. We will explore how the body responds, why pneumonia develops, and how vaccines give us hope for survival.
Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses named for their crown-like spikes. Some cause mild illnesses, like the common cold. Others, like SARS, MERS, and the new SARS-CoV-2, are far more dangerous. This new virus primarily attacks your throat and lungs, spreading rapidly from person to person. But what actually happens inside your body once it enters?
When an infected person coughs or sneezes, droplets carrying the virus land in your nose, mouth, or throat. The virus uses its spikes like a key to bind to receptors on your healthy cells. Once it finds the right receptor, it slips inside. Unlike the flu virus, SARS-CoV-2 doesn't always need to travel to the nucleus. It can directly hijack ribosomes, the cell's protein factories, to begin creating viral proteins. Once inside, the coronavirus does not waste time. Unlike many other viruses, it does not need to enter the cell's nucleus. Instead, it heads directly to the ribosomes, the protein factories of the cell. The virus hijacks them, reprogramming them to stop making human proteins and start making viral proteins instead. Piece by piece, the cell becomes a workshop for the virus. Spikes are built, protein shells are assembled, and RNA is copied. Finally, all the pieces come together just under the cell's membrane. A new virus particle is born, then another, and another. Soon, the cell is filled with thousands of new viruses. Eventually, the cell bursts or releases them, spreading the infection to neighboring cells. The silent invasion has begun. Now the infection spreads deeper into the lungs. Your lungs are made of branching tubes that end in tiny air sacs called alveoli. These sacs are like balloons that inflate when you breathe in and deflate when you breathe out. Around each sac, tiny blood vessels exchange oxygen for carbon dioxide. But when the virus attacks, your immune system fights back. White blood cells rush in, releasing chemicals to kill the invaders. This battle creates inflammation. The alveoli begin to fill with fluid, dead cells, and mucus. Oxygen can no longer pass freely into your blood. Breathing becomes difficult, painful, and exhausting. This is pneumonia. In mild cases, only one lobe of the lung is affected. In severe cases, both lungs fill with fluid, leaving the body gasping for air. Your immune system is your army. At first, the innate immune response tries to stop the virus. Macrophages swallow infected cells. Natural killer cells destroy compromised tissues. But SARS-CoV-2 is clever. It spreads quickly, often faster than the first line of defense. Days later, the adaptive immune system joins the fight. B cells produce antibodies, tiny Y-shaped proteins designed to stick to the virus's spikes, blocking them from entering new cells. Meanwhile, T cells hunt down and kill infected cells. If the immune response is balanced, you recover. But if it overreacts, it can trigger a dangerous cytokine storm, where inflammation spreads out of control, damaging even healthy tissues.
A vaccine is like a training program for your immune system. Instead of facing the full virus, your body is exposed to a safe version, maybe just the spike protein, or a weakened copy of the virus, or even a piece of its RNA. This harmless preview tricks your immune system into preparing weapons in advance. Antibodies are produced. Memory cells are stored. Weeks later, if the real virus enters, your body is ready. It recognizes the spikes instantly, launches antibodies, and destroys the invader before you even feel sick. This is the miracle of vaccines, teaching your body to win a battle before the war even starts.
But the coronavirus story is not just about biology. It is about people, about fear, loss, resilience, and unity. From the empty streets of New York to the crowded hospitals of Italy, from the scientists working day and night to the families separated by lockdowns, the pandemic changed the world. It showed our weaknesses, but also our strength. Humanity responded with science, compassion, and determination. And while the virus tested us, it also reminded us of one truth: we are all connected. The coronavirus may be small, but its impact has been enormous. Science revealed how it works, medicine fought back, and humanity adapted. The story of SARS-CoV-2 is not just about a virus, it is about us, about how fragile we can be, and how strong we can become. The battle is not over, but knowledge is our greatest weapon. Stay curious, stay safe, and remember, the smallest things can change the world.